Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $5.50. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $5.50, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to continue to stay up above it like it's been doing, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes that you have a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 550 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, a couple of key levels. The initial level I'm going to call right here at about $6.40, and then if the price can push through there, you have the highs of the day, which were up there at $6.88. But in my opinion, at least, there should be zero talk about doing battle with 688 until the price can first prove itself in the near term. And I'm quantifying quote unquote prove itself again as getting up above that $6.40 mark. So we'll see what happens with it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, crazy day today. So it'll be interesting to see if this one continues to play out, the rest of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.